Okay, we're upstairs now, and you can see the living room and the steps. First bedroom. They're not terribly small either. There's another bedroom. Nice sized closets. It's a married closet, so now I'm in the video. There's double sink, toilet and a bath with a door. Kind of hotelish. Here's your master bedroom. Probably about 17. Yeah, it's about 17 or 18 feet square. There's your doors. And very nice. And double sink in here. Unjetted tub. Toilet in the closet. Shower in the closet. And a huge, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to hang stuff.